Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're exploring the latest updates on the upcoming Google Pixel 9. A leaked video has unveiled the Pixel 9 in its stunning peely color. Let's dive into the details. Unveiling the Pixel 9. The leaked video showcases the Google Pixel 9 from every angle, highlighting its sleek design and its standard feature, a dual camera setup on the back. There's also news of a Pixel 9 Pro model with 3 cameras and a slightly larger display. Software and features. We caught a glimpse of the phone powered on, revealing the home screen with familiar Pixel UI elements like Gmail and settings. Android 15 promises enhanced multitasking, especially beneficial for larger screens like the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Design and color options. The video also reveals the Obsidian wallpaper option, alongside the peely color, giving insights into the available choices for the Pixel 9 series. Comparison and speculation. The Pixel 9 shows improvements over its predecessor, the Pixel 8, particularly in display quality and camera design. Conclusion. Stay tuned for more updates as Google prepares to unveil the Pixel 9 series at their Made by Google event on August 13th. Remember to subscribe to Future Phone Flash for the latest in tech news and rumors.